Wait, I'm not recording. There, I am recording.
Chud. Everyone
Oh!
recording, right?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Just making sure. German servers.
Yes! I'm gonna still have 100 ping.
And I'm gonna have 100 too, just because.
Does the game spawn more animals if there are
Who
more
wants
players?
coffee? Also, I have zero idea.
Okay.
I think it does not.
Okay.
So it's
Do you
more
know?
optimal. It's better with more people.
Yeah. Hello, Ricky King. Afdurst, are you gonna do the computer again, or?
Yes.
Alright.
I should be running Valorant in the meantime when these people are walking.
Yo.
Oh god, can this fucking... What do you mean I haven't set up this bot? Please run setup. I just want this bot to leave voice chat.
Oh.
Who wants the
I
coffee,
do.
by the way?
I don't need it. Or, actually, I might, because I die instantly every time.
Actually, I might take the coffee so I can tank the headbanger.
Oh, yeah, that's fair.
No, 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 I looked at the coffee while some of these papers being put down. Fuck. Frick, bro.
And I do the next computer, right?
What are you doing here, Ashley?
I don't know. They both kind of just took all the patience. So I'm like, my existence is just to not.
Try to help with the patients anyways, because patients tend to request more than one item. So just stand in a hallway next to a cabinet and pray that the RNG is correct. Actually, this is shift 1.
Yeah, this is shift 1.
Yeah, it's shift 1.
I can just do.
So it's
I'm a
always
brick.
guaranteed.
I thought we were shift 2.
Nate?
Alright, I'm gonna tank the headbanger.
Is there a reason why?
It's annoying.
So that I can close the shutters on the anomalies and not have to accept them in, which should take time to take care of them to then, oh my god, why is your face so close?
I don't see
Oh
it.
my god.
That kid's face is so close for some reason.
I for some reason don't see it. That's sad.
Is this guy an anomaly? No.
Are you real?
Where's the headbanger? Why did my friend just DM me I am a fucking architect, dude?
Yo.
Wait.
What are they building?
Nothing, bro.
I think architects build a bomb.
Yeah, it's a bomb trust.
Bomb architect.
Exactly.
I'm doing. After you stay outside, so we can, or I go outside, I guess. Tell me what it is.
What?
I'll tell you where it is.
What? Okay, my existence is that I don't have one again. GG.
No, you grab one if it's close. I grabbed the far away ones.
It's right eye, so it's just eye drops.
Far away.
I the far away. Okay.
Wait, please tell me this is an actual patient. Where did the fucking headbanger go? What?
The fuck? I'm save and sanity save, I guess.
And this is a time save because I don't have to get rid of any anomalies at the desk either.
GG.
Yeah. I'll stand at the computer.
Oh, fuck.
I got
Yeah.
faint. I do have fainted people.
Okay, Vankenters, tell me what it is.
Yeah.
Keep EFOC almost ready.
Is it vent?
What?
Yeah, bandage.
Just bandage. Yes, sir. And that's it. That's done. Boom.
Oh. That's that.
Taser. Can you guys see if you can purchase as many as items as possible? Because all those are very good. I don't know if you.
I can't buy anything.
Yeah, we need to say that.
Computers.
Yeah, past the computer, that's good.
Yeah.
It's like W times A.
It's,
Okay.
it's kind of
I fucking my timer fucking I fucked up my timer. Yo, why is it hello?
Yeah, hello?
I fucking cut out for a second.
Yeah, we noticed. At least I had noticed.
I did too.
Ah,
Wait. Look at where I'm at.
I'm the only one. Oh, don't look up. Don't look up.
What if I
Look up. Okay. What's going on? Oh, here.
Why is our hospital haunted though?
Someone please go to the computer. Thank you. Are you outside,
Computer.
officer?
I'm outside. We outside. Okay.
alright, bro.
Tell me what to get.
flu, so it's a fucking cough syrup.
Cough syrup.
Yeah.
I already got
Okay,
it.
you're faster.
I just woke up, so I don't know why you expected me to be fast.
No,
It's
she meant me.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why you expected me to be faster than that. I've just woken up.
What? No, Afdurst was already outside, so we told her to pre-fire, but I was faster anyways.
Oh, I thought she was referring to me saying what we needed.
Nate.
No, I didn't even say anything. Help! Help me. Okay.
I love randomly waking up at 4
Help
a.m.
me. Coffee,
Go
you
for it.
fuck ready.
Far
Okay.
away. I'm finding the far away.
Canadian low sugar headache. So maple
Maple,
syrup,
two maple syrup and medicine. I'm getting 2 maple syrup, you get medicine.
I'm getting medicine. Ooh, wait, that was tough.
Who gets coffee?
6-5.
Need it.
I'm gonna take my coffee, so
Where?
there's just a countdown. What? Someone's in room 7? Is what you said? I'll do room
I'm doing it
7.
already.
Never mind, Ashley's doing room 7, even though I want to do the room. Uh,
Should have been faster,
it would have been faster for me to do it. I have it better.
One more patient, come on. Raph you! Oh my god, hi.
Get over here!
You better not be a visitor, bro, I swear to god.
Just tase him.
If I had one.
Just need medkit. It's easy enough.
Yeah, you can do a medkit yourself.
Yeah, I had to do the entire patient myself. That's an itch.
Yeah,
I can hear whoever's in the 7.
GG.
Actually, go far.
Okay.
Like,
Evan,
go to-
I will tell you.
Okay.
Treat remaining patients.
Flu.
that means?
Cough syrup on it.
Uh,
One cough syrup. Vancounters is doing it. Okay, nice. Let's go. Let's go.
Sorry,
Let's go.
I can't tell by the, like, symptoms
7's
themselves.
already done.
Yeah, me neither, but I thought you could.
Yo.
Because like last time you could. Okay.
I could not.
I'm gonna pre-fire, eye drops, IV, and medkit.
I guess I'm doing herbs, medicine, and cough syrup.
I'll do ointment, bandage, and maple syrup.
Come on, please.
We have
I mean, we got, like, everything.
So
There's a chance, there's a chance.
Okay, you got maple syrup. Okay, maple syrup and medkit. Nice.
Dang!
I'm gonna throw away everything real quick.
Oh yeah, I need to do that. Come on, shop, open up already. There's gonna be good shit.
Are we not excellent?
fuck knows.
Gun!
Oh, I need 400! Fuck! I don't have 400.
Do I buy faster print? Okay. Yeah, I don't
If
have
somebody
enough.
can get the gun.
I have 251, sorry.
Fuck, yeah, I have 251 as well.
This is second.
Is there any other upgrades we can get?
No.
Nah.
That's the only thing left. We got faster
Damn.
filter and another check-in window.
I think I can
Vancounters
feel the
shot
faster
me.
printer already.
I got killed by Vancounters.
What did I do?
I'm doing computer in number 1.
I guess.
Actually, go far, I guess.
Oh wait, there's a patient here though.
Yeah,
Oh,
go far.
Oh, that's the patient. Okay.
Yeah, it's the deep thing.
Fly the far away.
Yes, we gotta all run, fly the far away. Actually, do you know medicine by symptoms?
Some of them.
Bruises, rash, no. Okay.
Med-
Medkit,
And
ointment.
I got
Medkit,
okay.
Coffee
number
ready?
1.
Actually, I should take it.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab it.
Okay, yeah, good. Go take it. I'm calling dibs on the next coffee, unless like someone gets attacked.
All right.
I mean, I have 4.
I'm doing number 2 computer.
I'll go far, or
Go
no,
far
actually,
away.
you go far because I don't know the.
I came here to visit somebody. Don't care.
What is
Low
it?
sugar stomach.
Oh,
Maple syrup,
and herbs.
herbs.
I'm taking
Maple.
herbs.
Oh, yep, do it. Okay, nice. Let's go. Fuck, okay, I'm doing number 8.
You're doing okay, yeah. We're going fast. Wow. Who could even imagine this in a speedrun?
I'll help you with.
Oh no.
No, don't
I
help.
I saw the stalker. Oh no.
Helping in number 8 is like a detriment, if I'm being honest.
Yeah, that's gonna kill the person.
Yeah. You can continue helping on the normal patients, though, like how we've been doing it.
Yeah, the 5 is gonna be coming in soon.
Alright.
There's also one in Osu room.
Oh, there's someone else. I want to go in Osu.
Go Osu. I got this stupid Benry bitch.
Oh, GG, I have Rathio.
Just kill Rathu.
Yo.
Bro.
Wait, can you actually like
complete?
kill Rathu?
Ow.
I have no idea.
I don't think so. I don't really want to find out though. Oh fuck.
Okay, you kill Rathu.
I did not kill Rathio. Yeah, wait.
Actually, tell me the items. I'm going far.
Bruises, dried eyes, bleeding. So bandage, medkit. I got bandage. Oh fuck. And
Kit.
items.
Oh, okay. I'm giving it medkit.
I have bandage. I drops.
Okay. Nice. That's fine. Okay. Someone doing number 7? Okay, nice.
Oh, wait, yo,
Treat remaining patients. The guy at the desk is an anomaly, so I can ignore.
There's gonna be 1 in 4. I'll go far since I know them by their name.
Okay.
What the fuck are you doing?
So, do you do the computer or?
Oh yeah, I should do the computer. Bleeding.
Oh, so it's just what is it?
Bandages. 1 bandages. Okay, Zangus is doing it.
Alright, it's time for ambulance.
Oh,
Get ready.
Kill everyone.
Yo.
Kill everyone. There will be like 1 or 2 anomalies. I think it's 2.
I don't think it's
Okay.
guaranteed because I've had a run where there were no anomalies, I think.
Oh wow. If there's an anomaly, lead them to one of the patients so that they can like just start screaming and fuck off. Preferably a patient that has not been treated yet, because it'll cause them just fuck off easier,
Okay.
I see.
which is good. Obviously don't leave the anomaly to room 8. They cannot reach the patient on the table.
Oh.
Okay, 6.
Okay.
I got the fire.
Okay.
Do 2.
Are there only 2 criticals?
Yes.
Okay, that's
Wow.
good.
I've had 1
Alright, I'm gonna do the long ones. I'm doing the long ones.
Okay,
doing
I'm going into 7.
That is not that important.
Yeah.
2's done. I'm in
1 done.
room 3.
Is that anybody doing 6? Yeah, Zangus is, right?
No. You
No?
mean surgery?
Yeah, 6.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
I'm
8.
going into 6 then. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, do 6.
Oh fuck, there's no
Patient. That's good.
Red, green. Blue.
Yeah, you don't lose any sanity when trying to deal with medicine. Yeah.
No, I have it. I was trying to get that. you can just spray the fire extinguisher, right? You don't have to hold E.
Yeah, I'm ready here.
You bleeding blue?
Maple syrup,
Wait.
ointment, medicine. I'll do medicine.
Wait, anomaly, anomaly.
I'll do
What?
ointment.
Maple syrup. Okay, only do ointment.
What?
Oh, fuck, okay.
Yeah, go.
I'm doing ointment.
You don't
Oh, wait,
need
this-
ointment, anomaly.
He's dead. Oh, what the fuck? Wait, look at
number
the
5.
look at how it died. What?
No!
Oh,
My fault.
okay. I mean, it's whatever.
Number 5 is not. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, run! Are there any patients? Oh yeah.
The door closed in front of me. It'll cause it to run out faster.
Oh yeah. Oh, they're like the same speed as us now.
Yeah. Taser ready if needed.
I have 39 sanity.
Nobody did 7.
I did, but like 6 was more important. Like if I didn't do 6, they would have died. I'm sorry.
Alright.
Can we just close the shutters on the doctor?
Yo.
No, the doctor needs to gap.
There.
It'll gap even if the shutters are closed.
Oh, okay. Bonus.
Bonus, give me the gun.
Gun.
Damn.
Okay, I guess we got everything.
Yeah.
I now have 600 money.
GG.
I'm rich.
Hell yeah.
Visitor.
Oh, I'm tasing you.
Who's doing the computer?
Afdurst.
Afdurst. Yep. Oh!
Do you want me to
Right, I'm off
Wait.
fire.
Huh?
I can get that if needed. Probably not worth it though.
IV dropped, I dropped, cough syrup. You go cough syrup then.
IV drops, you syrup.
Who's fainted?
Actually, no.
Do I need to care about the fire in room 7?
Put it out eventually.
Alright.
Oh, hold on, patient on fire. More important? Yeah, you do that. Thank you.
Yo! Wait, is this where's this guy going into? Please don't say room 7.
6,
Okay,
I'm doing. I can
You're doing room 6? Okay,
I'll put out the fire in room 7.
okay. Yeah, there's nothing else important going on right now, so I guess that's fair. Okay.
Coffee ready, who need?
Me.
I'm on
give-
58.
I'm at 53.
39.
Okay, give it out.
39?
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah. There's a camera down, by the way, so if somebody can start the camera and hold E.
I don't know where the camera is.
It's at the entrance to everything.
Okay.
I'm doing 4.
Yeah, I'm doing 7. It's my favorite room. This game is the one time I don't mind having touchscreen mode on.
6 is done.
Okay, I'll handle.
That should be real. Yeah.
ahead and like.
Or after get in here. I'll go far. Go do computers.
I'll tell you what the symptoms are and then the items just.
Okay.
Headache. One medicine. Yeah.
Have it.
Blue polka dots might be an anomaly.
Don't look.
If they are, just leave it to a random person.
Okay.
Is 7 healing?
7 is healing. Yes.
7's healing. Okay, we can ignore that side then.
Okay, I'll go far. Someone will read the computer and tell me what it is.
Fever, low sugar, headache. Permo, maple syrup, medicine.
I have all of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll say what they need.
Okay.
This guy might be an anomaly. IV drop, eye drop, medkit.
I have all of that.
W.
Yo, that was kind of scary. I was scared you're gonna. One I already did.
I think that was an extra patient.
Oh,
I'm gonna be honest. Oh, that might be an anomaly too.
he's just gonna pay. NPC speed, yes. Okay, do we need
Uh,
scan patient for anomalies?
No.
Okay.
Who care? Who care? Who car?
Yeah. Not saying NPC speed is like good though.
Oh, that guy was real, motherfucker. I thought I could cheese it. I might just
Ah.
tase somebody for fun.
Yo.
I'm gonna check them in and just tase them.
Yo.
This guy's an anomaly on the right.
Which one? This guy? Hunched over?
Yeah.
him?
Van, go to room 7. It's your touch screen.
Yes! Yes!
You do the thing.
Coffee ready? Who
There's
needs
a wall guy
54?
here.
50.
Can I use the taser or have you used it?
I have not used the taser.
Okay, because there's a wall guy. I don't want to like run away for a billion years.
Van, room 7.
Yes! Did you not hear me?
Yeah.
Who needs coffee? It's ready.
Can I get
I'm
it
at
after-
50.
I'm at
I'm on
31.
53.
Oh, fuck.
You can give it after, sir.
Yeah, you take that after.
What is it, Van?
Hydration, also IV drops. Oh.
There we go.
Oh, there's a wall roller too? Wow.
I taste the last one. Oh! I looked at the eyes. I'm so good at this game.
IV drops. Okay, only IV drops. Yeah, you got it.
I need to check in one more patient.
Alright.
What is it?
Stomachache, herb.
This guy just goofs.
I'm like really
Yeah.
slow at replying.
This person's a visitor. Fuck off.
Matt,
I'll do number
I'll get
8.
to room 2. Van, do computer and
Yeah.
I'll go far.
Okay. And stuff. I thought I was just gonna do computer.
Okay.
Oh, somebody's in room 8.
Yeah,
Oh,
me.
Wait, fainted? Throw them away, throw them away.
Cough syrup. That's it.
I can't throw them away since there's 5, so I'm just gonna die.
Oh, wait.
Oh, yeah. Van's got the fire extinguisher.
Don't die, please.
I didn't die.
I'm about to die. What the fuck? There.
Well,
I'm
now
at 38
I'm
sanity.
at 25.
Okay, so
GG.
everyone's about to fucking die, GG, because I have 37.
Oh.
2 is healing, 1 is empty. I'm gonna do 1. Okay, I'll do computer.
Coffee will come out soon.
Okay, wait, who has the least?
Whoever has
24, me.
550.
Okay, so give it after, sir.
Okay.
Wait, when is it ready?
where's the
Wait for
medication?
now.
Thermo?
Thermo,
Eye
eye
drop.
drops.
Medicine.
I have all.
Okay, yeah. Can we get like...
Anomaly.
Fuck.
Come here. Wait, get away. Afterwards, get out of room 1. Afterwards, get out of room 1.
Damn. I have the supplies.
Why are you like A-posing? What's that about?
Okay, I
I
guess.
think it says I'm
we're not
climbing
good.
something.
Oh.
Coffee ready. Who need?
After.
E-Fock.
Which is funny.
Which is funny.
Okay.
Hi, Rocky.
Or-
Alright, let's see what the shop brings. Open up. Open sesame.
Oh, you're in your car.
Yeah, I know, but I'm heading home after a long day of work.
I see.
hmm
And sorry about somebody blasting in the background. That's not my. I'm not sure why they blasted me, but anyways, anybody
really?
done any co-ops in 10 minutes, 15 max?
No, we're
What?
busy right now.
Yeah, sorry. We're already like mid-run. By the way, Zangus, do I buy the camera?
Say again?
Do I buy the security camera?
Hold on. It's like a million shits going on right now.
Yeah.
This
In the
guy's a
shop, there's a
fake.
security camera for 600. Do I buy that or not?
What's security cam for 600? No, it's pointless.
Okay, good to know.
I might have rejected fucking innocent. Oh, fuck.
Your computer.
No, those are both anomalies, thank god. Jesus fucking yeah.
Oh, nice.
What is it?
Ointment and medicine.
I have ointment.
I have medicine.
Room 3.
This guy's going into room 3, so you ready for that one?
There's also someone going to be going before immediately after.
Yeah.
What is it?
Fever and stomach ache, which is thermo and herbs.
Oh fuck, I have herbs.
Okay, I got thermo. Oh, who fucking painted? Oh, Zangus's patient.
Some random dude.
What is it?
Treat remaining patients, by the way.
Maple syrup and IV drops.
I have maple syrup.
Okay, I guess I'll get the IV drops. By the way, Afdurst, are you muted?
Oh. No, not anymore.
I'll go for this one. Tell me what it is.
Canadian.
Also, just maple syrup.
Have it.
Is that everybody being treated?
Maybe.
I think so.
Yeah.
Unless there's someone in 628, but I don't think there is yet.
No. Still beeping. Resting.
It's all resting.
Who needs to
Anomaly?
Coffee? How much do you have?
Stupid ass bitch walked over. Fuck off.
31? Okay.
Unlucky timing.
You
Whatever.
take coffee, actually.
Ron's done.
I'm taking the next coffee, I think.
Alright, let's see what's in the shop. What even is this middle one? Oh, okay.
Oh, GG.
How the fuck were we even supposed to react in time? Oh,
Get the camera down. I need it. I need this.
NPC speed.
Uh,
Yeah, I'm buying this. I have money.
I only have 31.
Well, I have 33. Sorry.
Ah, Afdurst. Oh, I forgot Matthew just sits here.
Yeah, don't
Yeah.
we have to beat shift 10, by the way?
Yes.
Yeah, we have to beat it.
Oh, please give me the next coffee. So yeah.
One.
I'm doing one computer.
Then do one bed.
Did I
One
let in a
bed.
fucking anomaly? No, I didn't.
Is there anybody else coming in right now?
No.
Okay.
What
Didn't
is it?
work.
Canadian bruises.
I have both.
There's someone following you after, so be careful.
Lamau.
Oh, that guy. Can we taser that guy or?
Room 3.
Okay, I'm doing number 7.
Okay. Oh, you're doing 7. Okay.
Well, I'm already here.
I'm gonna hit the fire extinguisher for 5 for now.
Yeah, that's fine, I guess. Oh fuck! There's 2 wall dwellers in here. What the fuck?
Oh.
Did you get touched by a
One of them.
wall dweller?
There's still a fucking another one in there. Which is about to fucking murder me. Holy shit! Fuck.
Disappeared.
Holy moly.
Okay, I need.
What the fuck?
We need to put that one out. There's a patient going in there.
Hello?
Why is there a million fires?
There's a patient going in both rooms. Are we serious?
Who fainted?
Eh. I need to like stay far away or I'm gonna fucking die.
Fly too far away.
So.
I'm at 25.
GG, we're all about to fucking die. Bruce's Canadian Fever. I know all of those.
Okay, so you got this. That's good. Are you gonna do 6 officer?
Yep.
Anybody else?
I'll do room 5.
Room? Oh, okay. I'll look up in room 5.
I'll go do the fire, I guess, in room 3.
Oh my goodness!
100 fires.
Oh, anomaly.
Wait, bring them over here.
Yeah.
Oh, athlete.
I'll do room 4, I guess.
I
There's
guess.
another fucking anomaly.
I mean, as long as it doesn't eat after surf, it's okay.
How did it tag me instead of this stupid bitch? Oh my god.
But it's coffee, right?
I'm on 7. What the fuck?
You're on 7? Okay, you drink the coffee, Jesus. Getting messaged. Hello!
Do it.
You can do it.
Ambulance. Can I tase one of them preemptively? No, I can't. Yes, I can.
I'm doing 2.
I'm doing
okay,
the longer
I'll
ones.
do critical in 7.
Okay. Critical is 2, 5, 3. Okay.
Yeah, as long as
I'll do
someone
5.
does 1, it's okay.
My sanity is 6? What the hell happened? Oh, because I tased the fucking... Because I
Oh,
tased
yeah,
the animal.
It
Smartest
Two
doctor.
down. I'm doing 4.
Shooting 4, okay. Oh, there's a... Yo! I'm at 12%
I have
sanity,
plain
Jesus.
maple syrup.
Yeah, do ointment and maple
Oh,
syrup.
fuck,
I,
two maple syrup.
I have to. Good.
What the fuck?
I got the death ritual. I got the death ritual.
Okay,
Ignore
I'll
it.
go fire then. Is some... Yeah, Van, do room 7.
yeah,
Okay,
give
sure,
me.
sorry.
Eye drops? I got like the memory of a fucking person with no head.
Wall dweller's on someone. Room 7. Whoever's in room 7.
Oh god.
Oh, there's
Oh,
an
that's-
anomaly. It's an anomaly. What the fuck? Can you drag it over to someone? Okay.
Good.
Lamau?
Good enough. Whatever.
Come on,
I'm
last
gonna
one.
be
Who's not done? Who's not done?
5 and 4.
But it's recovering.
Okay, they recovered.
How? I have 10 sanity. Oh, wait, did we beat shift 10?
36 minutes ish.
Yeah, about 36.
Wait, that's
We're
good,
done.
though.
We're done.